Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our fourth episode on the general perception of formal education or on the practical aspects of education. My name is, as usual, Mawai Daniel Aren, Director of Studies, Trust Academy Secondary School. Sometimes when you complete any level of learning or of education, you feel happy, excited, and enthusiastic, but with the less understanding of yourself. What exists most is empty confidence, powered by empty pride, but the actuality of education is not there. Education without tangible expression is equal to an empty tin or a container. This is what is uniquely termed as the naked knowledge that is too dangerous to the human setting. There are mega challenges in the world that this modern world is restlessly, strategically struggling to resolve through invention or enhancement on what has been discovered. Such education is not all about finishing any level of learning, but acquisition of skills that can enable you to overcome challenges in the world. The life empowering skills that can help you to accomplish a particular task with fewer complications. This has been too differing in Africa, where majority or hundreds of thousands of people are being graduated yearly, but with the none able to express him or herself. What exists most is the slogan that I've completed education, but the actuality of education is not visible. Thus, let us make use of our nursery schools or the so-called kindergarten or the child-friendly spaces or the early childhood care and development centers, because these are the foundation to any national system of education. This is because when you miss morals at childhood, you risk missing everything even at your latest stage of growth. This is why these centers are focal point to the informed parts of the world. Let us begin to graduate people who have invented ideas rather than those who have accomplished certain period of time in the universities or colleges. Let us cherish what we know with love and care, than over depending on foreign minds. Let us not entirely live our lives on what other people think we should. Let us give right value to ourselves by being confident in what we can do best. Let us know the linking historical patterns between Western education and the African tradition. Let us also learn about some of the laws which are put forth by the world to the humanity, because they are toxic in one way or another. Let us know what dominates our social circle and live by it. Let us not accept global changes that exclude our national interests. Let us protect our people from any unnecessary dangers, disasters, and losses. Let us make use of our human industry. Let us understand that education without tangible expression is idiocy. Let us learn about some of the overriding, overlapping, competitive and complementary interests in the world and orient ourselves toward them. Let us know that our homes are our greatest pride. Let us know that there is nothing that unites people as much as home when it comes to difficult times. Let us learn about the dangers of cyber crimes, privacy and misinformation in the world. Let us actually absorb what education is meant for, which is tangibility. This is in as far as our practical understanding of education is. It trains our minds, which is creativity or critical thinking. It trains our eyes, which is observation or visibility. It trains our mouth, which is eloquent speaking. It trains our ears, which is active listening. Concisely, at the background is the language of our today's program, the practical education. You can see how active our learners are engaging in practical aspects of education. This is the similar image we would like to promote in the entire nation. Thank you.